So special thanks to this company for sending us this MacBook battery. Now they wanted me to make an unboxing to show you everything that comes in here. So inside of this box, you get everything needed. Little tools. Look at all this. Got some adhesive. It's like to get the glue up. And gloves, and a little paper towel. Then underneath this nice piece of foam is a nice set of instructions. So MacBook Pro 15 battery replacement. You can see there the models mid 2012 through early 2013. This manual will tell you how to take it apart and how to get your battery out and put this battery in. And then look at this, you get all your little tools needed. That is pretty nice. These are little Apple tools. And then also this one. And then lastly, this is the actual battery pack. So you peel this off, connect it in, and get everything in place and get your MacBook back up and running. So that's essentially it for this MacBook Pro replacement battery unboxing. This is perfect for anybody who has one of these MacBooks and the battery's died. You can buy this and get it inside your MacBook and you're back up and running. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.